All right, we sprayed the area. Like I said, we had that stain there, little red one. We're gonna try to tackle that just because this is the first area, and we want to make sure our solution is mixed right. If it is, it's chance of solution's right. We don't have to make any adjustments with our first pass, and we're going to continue to clean the carpets. Like I said, we spray in sections. That way we can go ahead and get every stain. I'm going to move those chairs out of the way once we come back here. Why we use these machines, these are ideal to fit underneath the table. Very efficient, 17-inch. All right, we're all finished and complete with the room. It turned out great, 30 minutes to dry. And there's a stain right here on the floor, a little red stain. I think it was here, either here. It's gone. All right, there's some other stains along here, the walkway. They're all out of here. Like I said, these carpets look new, and the reason why is because we're here and we maintain them every quarter. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the next room that we're gonna do. This room here, that's where we're at next. All right, you can see some mud here. Right here. No really stains, just a little bit of stain here. In here, just mainly just traffic here and mud. Like I said, it's the maintenance area. So these guys are getting down and dirty, fixing machines and whatnot. We're gonna do what we're doing here. We're gonna be spraying, laying down our solution, and it's nice and moist. Following the solution, we're gonna hit it with the pad. You know the process by now, so stay tuned. Only in sections, only in sections. It's gonna be our last section here. We got air movement. You're like, why? Why are we only doing in sections? Well, we got air movement in here. This solution dry, it's no good. Solution's no good when it's dry, only when it's wet. All right, we need that lubrication to go ahead and absorb the dirt. So we're gonna stop right here, that's our section. All right, now as you see, we're in the maintenance room. We got these floors looking amazing. They're a little bit brighter here, just more vibrant and brought back to life. Remember that mud that was on the floor? There was a mud stain over here. We've gotten that up. These are just some pieces of paper. And all the other mud stains and the hard stains back here are all completely up. Like I said, these guys get a lot of heavy traffic, but we make sure we take care of that. All right, stay tuned for the next area. All right, here we are in our next area, the main office. And as you can see, right when we walk in, floors are dull. Got a stain here. Got a stain here. All in the kitchenette area like normal. Got some here. This is from the doorway, that's rubber. We're not gonna be able to get that up, but I'm going to choose something special on this. I don't think it's gonna come up because it's a dye and it's a rubber. But we're gonna work our magic. I actually want to turn back around and take a picture because I wanna see. We like challenges. All right. And as you can see, we already have a team in here that's gotten started. And from the carpets, I can tell he's done this back half. And the carpets are just more vibrant. And got that office, this back half, this office here. This whole back area. He also has a 17-inch. He's got the extension cord running. That way, we're more efficient. Get all the offices. 17-inch doing their thing. All right, we are over here doing the rugs now. We already sprayed them and we went over them. And of course, you know the process. We just like to show you like what we like to do. And we go over the rugs, same thing. That's the thing about us and what makes us unique. We have one product that works for everything. Good for the environment and green, clean, and safe for kids and pets. What? And it does a wonderful job cleaning everything. Tile, grout, carpet, stainless steel, upholstery, you name it, rugs, Oflin, natural fibers. It does it all. All right, we're all finished here with this office. Remember, there was a stain right here in the middle of the floor. We got all that up, of course. The rug has been cleaned. Only thing we were not able to accomplish or tackle was this black streak mark, and that is from the rubber on the door. And the door stopper. So we're going to forward that to the account manager. All right, stay tuned. Hello, Brandon Be Clean, and we're at building number 2. Check that out. All right, we're going to be getting these stains up here. Don't know what they are, but we're going to do everything we can to get these up out of the carpet. All right, maintenance room, just like the last room. It's a lot of traffic here. All right, let's stay tuned. Stains on this tile. We're going to tackle this here. This is the main balcony of the maintenance room. Now I'm applying some special movement here. Can't really see the action with my hand, but I'm changing the weight distribution of the buffer and focusing the weight on just the stain. Look at that. There's the tile. All right, you remember the maintenance room floors when we first walked in. Stains everywhere. Underneath the desk, they're all gone. Dark black stains. Water stains. Desk stains. The blues are back and vibrant. No stains. And this, we've seen this rug here. This one had heavily stained. And of course, by the brick area was heavily stained. All right, stay tuned. All right, as you can see, we have this office area. We're at the second building. And the first area we were at before was the maintenance. And we have one more area. As you can see, we got this part done. You got a team over there. They already got that side. We just have this left side to do. Really hard stains. There were some stains roughly in the office area, around the desk here. This one, you see it's a little discoloration. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle those. Stay tuned.